Experts believe that digital infrastructure based on blockchain technology is what is required to transform the Indian digital ecosystem. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be talking about an Indian blockchain platform that can transform the Indian digital ecosystem. This is what the experts believe. So first, let's look at the timeline of the video. First, we will be looking at what is the news, then what is digital public infrastructure, then the Indian initiatives for digital infrastructure, then the limitations of public digital infrastructure, other efficient digital systems, benefits of Web 3.0, global adoption that has been taken around the world regarding the blockchain technology. Then what is the need for an all India blockchain platform for India? Then in the end, we will be looking into a prelims MCQ and a mains practice question. This topic is of relevance from General Studies Paper 3, Science and Technology. Since last 2-3 years, it has been seen that in prelims, the aspect of blockchain technology and Web 3.0 has been increasing, and in mains paper, in GS paper 3, since last 4 to 5 years, a question on blockchain technology and its related aspects can be seen. So the topic becomes all the more relevant, seeing its importance from exam perspective. So this news has been taken from the Experts Explain section of Indian Express, and it says an India blockchain platform. So what is the main idea of this news that you can take out while reading it? That is, first is India, second is blockchain platform. So there are two aspects. First is India, second is the blockchain platform. That how and why the India needs a blockchain platform of its own, so that its digital infrastructure can be transformed and can be made better. So now let's look at what is digital public infrastructure. So as if you will read the name, then only you will be able to understand from the words itself. Digital, public, where everyone else is present, and infrastructure is a means which is required to help in the operation of something. So the digital public infrastructure is based on blockchain technology, and it is required to transform the digital ecosystem in India and will enable the future of digital services, platforms, applications, content and solutions. So it is based on blockchain technology and it can transform the future of digital services. So the important word becomes transform and future. Now next comes what has been the Indian initiatives for digital infrastructure that has been taken by the Indian government in the recent past. Then the first becomes and the most important is Digital India Mission in 2015. That this Digital India Mission is what has promoted us, or what has made us reach the digital medium more effectively and more efficiently and on regular basis. And the demonetization also helped us to perform digital transactions on regular basis, and it made it a habit in Indian people that digital transactions can be done on regular basis also. Everything need not be done through cash payments. Then the Provident Fund, passports, driving license, crossing tolls, everything is now done on digital basis, and this is what makes the things more transparent and the credibility and authenticity of things increases, and this also makes physical work becomes very less. Then checking land records, this is one of the most recent addition, that even the land records are now becoming digital. Then comes Aadhaar, UPI and the Indian stack. So everything on regular basis is now coming on the digital platform, and this is what the Indian government initiatives has been in recent past. Now let's talk about the limitations of digital public infrastructure. Then what can be the limitations? If there are many positives, then it is also possible that if positives are there, the negatives will also be there. So in today's time, the biggest limitation is that they are not interconnected. See, in today's time, the awareness among the people regarding the public digital infrastructure is also very less. People living in the rural areas are not very digitally advanced. So people are not very interconnected. So existing different digital infrastructures are not interconnected as of now. And then second becomes that it is not interoperable. So when they are not interconnected, then interoperability will also be very less because awareness is not there, and technical integration is required to make them more interoperable. So integration of things needs to be required. For that, the awareness needs to be increased, and after a certain period of time, then the interconnectedness and the interoperability will also increase. Then public digital infrastructure is also supposed to be very inefficient, as the reason can be that the information travels through multiple stages and it also reaches a limited private database, which makes it more expensive, costly, and it makes it more complex, and as a result it becomes very inefficient also. Then comes low availability and affordability. Affordability becomes a very important point, as in our country, in India, it is not easy to afford, as the affordability among people is very low, and plus the digitally advancement is also very less. So digital infrastructure should be designed based on principles of availability, affordability, value, and trust. If trust will be there, then people will be in a certain period of time will be forced to come on the digital platform and use the digital infrastructure. Then comes that what are the other efficient digital systems that is present, and nowadays it is Web 3.0. Before Web 3.0 there was Web 1.0 and Web 1 and Web 2.0. Now what is Web 3.0? It is the next iteration of the internet on the lines of Web 1.0 and 2.0, and it heavily relies on blockchain technology, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Now what is blockchain technology? The word that is regularly coming in news and that is so much making headlines, that cryptocurrency is based on blockchain technology and everything. And Web 3.0 is also heavily relies on blockchain technology, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So what is blockchain technology? See, blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. So see, the blockchain technology is becoming very much in news. This is because of this reason, that it records information in such a way that now it cannot be changed, and it becomes very difficult to hack the system or to manipulate the information. And because of this feature of it, that it cannot be changed, this is becoming very relevant in today's time. So the Web 3.0 is also based on blockchain technologies, and cryptocurrencies is also based on blockchain technology. Then what is the aim of Web 3.0? Its aim is to create a decentralized internet. What does the mean? What is the meaning of the word decentralized? That it is a web which will be of people, it is not that it will be maintained by only few people. There will be few people at the top and everyone else will be at bottom. No, Web 3.0 wants to create a decentralized internet with open, connected, and intelligent websites and web applications. Then comes what are the benefits of Web 3.0. If there won't be any benefits, then people won't be using it. So the benefits of Web 3.0 would be data ownership. This becomes very relevant in today's time, that there are applications, data is so much in news that data should be stored in one's own country and should not be going out, as because it is the most relevant and the most powerful thing in today's time, data. Then the data ownership, as in Web 2.0, the tech giants controlled and exploited user generated data, but in Web 3.0 that will be decentralized internet. Then fewer intermediaries will be there, work could be done at a faster speed. Then transparency will be maintained, efficient searching and information linking, personalized web surfing experience, uninterrupted services, auto verification can be done, as verification used to take a lot of time and disturb people's time and schedule a lot. Then the blockchain records could be visible, compiled and audited by the regulators in real time. So it's not that people have to wait for a very long period of time. All the things can be done in the real time. So these becomes the benefits of Web 3.0, and Web 3.0 is very relevant for your exam perspective, because the question came in the UPSC asked a question from Web 3.0 in this year's question paper, which is 2022. So you need to see the question. Then what is global adoption? What is the scenario of the global adoption when it comes to the blockchain technology, how the world is performing? Or you can also take it as case studies also. Then first point becomes the Estonia. Estonia country is known as the blockchain capital of the world. This can be an important prelims fact, that which country is known as the blockchain capital of the world. Then it is Estonia. Then Estonia uses blockchain infrastructure to verify and process all e-governance services offered to the public. So see, the blockchain technology is also helping in the improving the governance aspect of a country. Then comes the China. China launched a program in 2020 called the BSN, which is blockchain based service network, to deploy blockchain applications in the cloud at a streamlined rate. So our neighbor is also moving towards the blockchain technology. Then comes the Brazil. The Brazil government recently launched the Brazilian blockchain network to bring participating institutions into governance. So if you will see, the major word here is governance. That blockchain technology is also helping in improving the governance of a country or the governance of an institution. It is not necessary that only the things can be done at the country level. It can be done at national, state, district, at any levels. Even in a private company or an institution, the governance can improve using the blockchain technology. Then comes that what is the need for an all India blockchain platform? Why the blockchain platform can be important for India? Then a digital infrastructure based on blockchain technology will transform the digital ecosystems in India. See, transform is the big word. It can transform, it can improve, the change can be made using the blockchain technology. As what we are lacking today, we lack the transparency in it, we lack the objectivity. No real time things cannot be done in today's time. And then the objectivity transparency factor, as I've already told you, it delays a lot, speed is not very fast. Then all these things can be improved using the blockchain technology, and it can also help in the governance sector also in our country, so that the physical work or the physical movement of people becomes little less. Then it also enables the future of digital services, platforms, applications, content and solutions. So if things would move to blockchain technology, then as blockchain technology is very hard to hack, or making changes in it are extremely difficult, then it can also improve the security aspect of a country also. Then this one is an important point. Read carefully and listen carefully also, that the Indian digital community, including fintech companies, academics, think tanks and institutions, they should also focus on supporting research in standards. So the R&D, that is the research and development sector, is very important, because if the research and development will be done, then only the new innovations and revolutions can only come then. Then interoperability and efficient handling of current known issues with the distributed technologies. So everything, if would be related to the blockchain technology, can improve. This is from the Indian perspective. For example, scalability and performance, consensus mechanism and auto detection of vulnerabilities. Okay, now let's see this question. This question was asked in UPSC 2020 prelims, and this question is based on blockchain technology. You people do not need to answer this question. I am just showing you this question so that you understand that how the UPSC is forming questions on the recent current issues. See, this says, with reference to blockchain technology, consider the following statement. So there are three statements. First says, it is a public ledger that everyone can inspect but which no signal user controls. Second, the structure and design of blockchain is such that all the data in it are about cryptocurrency only. Applications that depend on basic features of blockchain can be developed without anybody's permission. And the correct, which one are the correct options? So see, how do you need to tackle these questions? Imagine you do not know anything about the blockchain technology, then also you can try to attempt the question by reading the statements extremely carefully. See, look at the second statement. Even if you do not know the first and the third statement, try to look at the second statement. It says, the structure and design of blockchain is such that all the data in it are about cryptocurrency only. So even if you do not know all first, third statement, even if you read the second statement very carefully, you see all these, you need to look at the words and pay attention towards the words, because the words many a times will lead you to the answer. These are extreme words, two extreme words in one statement. All, only. So even if you do not know, you can apply your mind and can do or can try to do the question or try to attempt the question. So the answer of this statement is 1 and 3 only. So the answer is D. Okay, for you people, today's prelims MCQ that you people need to tell me in the comment section. Tell me the answer in the comment section, and the question says, with reference to Web 3.0, consider the following statements. And this question was asked in UPSC 2022. And the first statement says, Web 3.0 technology enables people to control their own data. Second statement, in Web 3.0 world, there can be blockchain based social networks. And third statement says, Web 3.0 is operated by users collectively rather than a corporation. We did these statements. So which of the statements given above are correct? And the codes are 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only. And this is UPSC 2022 question. So you people should be able to answer this, because reading the previous year questions is of utmost importance to understand the demand of the UPSC, what they are trying to ask you. So let's move to the last aspect of the video, that is the mains practice question. And your question is, analyze the potential of blockchain technology in transforming the public sector works. And the command given here is analyze. So you people need to tell me the positive and the negative aspect both. So try to do your answer writing practice. This one you should be able to write. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.